Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show how to edit page your IMDb account and add your bio. So let's start. First you open any browser. So I open Chrome browser, then enter your profile. So I am already enter my profile. So now click edit page. So now add my Amazon profile link. So you select official site. So add one item, click, then continue. So now copy your Amazon profile link. Now paste. Decision box, type Apple Music, then check updates. So now warning mark, then recheck. So now show green. So now click submit. So that's it.